How to delete transaction history on Wise. So if you made a certain transaction that you believe should not be there and it's shown in the records and you want to delete it or get rid of it, well, unfortunately they cannot be permanently deleted, because a transaction history is something that must always be there for the record. Because if any type of you become a victim of fraud or a scam, and that's where your history is needed to figure out what exactly happened, to whom you sent the money, from where you received the money. That is why a history always has to be there, and therefore it cannot be deleted. But do not lose hope. If you really do not want to see a transaction on your Wise app, you can just choose to hide the transaction. So you can open the Wise app and go to all activity and go to a certain transaction. So let's say I do not want to find and let's see this transaction on this page right here. I can tap on the transaction. I'll see the full details of the transaction. But if I tap on the three dots option from the very top right hand side, I will see a little pop-up that says hide this activity. So instead I can just choose to hide this activity from the main home page, and it will not be shown on the home page anymore. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you soon as always in our next video.